Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw Kitty Fairy. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos, like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Now let's add some colors. We are using red color, pink color. Which color is this? This is pink color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. We are adding yellow color. Light blue color. We are using light blue color to color the wings of this fairy. Subscribe for more drawing videos and like and share this video. Which color is this? This is light blue color. Now we will use red color. This is red color. Which color is this? This is red color. This is red color. Good job. Orange color. This is orange color. We are using orange color. Now we are using light blue color. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye kids.